Uphold is a popular digital wallet, but many users look for alternatives due to fees, limited features, or regional restrictions. If you're seeking a reliable platform to store, send, or invest your money, several options stand out in 2025. One strong alternative is PayPal. With over 400 million active accounts worldwide, PayPal offers secure transactions, global transfers, and the ability to hold balances in multiple currencies. It supports linking to bank accounts and cards easily, making deposits and withdrawals seamless. While fees can range from 2.9% plus 30 cents per domestic transaction to higher rates for currency conversion, its convenience and trustworthiness make it a solid choice. Skrill is another option that appeals to users looking for low-fee international transfers and cryptocurrency integration. Skrill allows sending money to over 120 countries, supports multiple currencies, and has a prepaid card option. Their fees for international transfers start around 1.45%, and transactions are processed quickly, which makes it ideal for freelancers, online businesses, or crypto users. Revolut combines banking and digital wallet features, offering competitive exchange rates, global spending, and cryptocurrency support. Revolut's standard account is free, and premium plans unlock higher limits, insurance, and exclusive cards. It also allows instant currency exchanges at interbank rates, which can save significant costs compared to Uphold's currency conversion fees. Crypto.com is tailored for those who want to manage both fiat and crypto in one place. It provides a user-friendly app, crypto staking options, and a Visa card for everyday spending. Users can earn rewards on crypto holdings, and fees for trading are competitive compared to Uphold, which can make a difference for regular investors. Other noteworthy mentions include Binance, for its comprehensive crypto ecosystem, and Wise, known for transparent, low-cost international transfers. Each of these platforms caters to different needs, whether it's investment, daily transactions, or global remittances. Choosing the right alternative depends on your priorities, but all these options offer security, flexibility, and cost-effectiveness that rival Uphold.